Welcome everyone to this Scratch course. So in this course, the very first program which we are going to do is how we can work over this thing so that we can create a beautiful projects out of this. So the very simple and basic steps are, the first step will be, we'll rename it as first project. Fine. So I'll just give here a name as first project. And the next step is, if you want to work with this sprite, fine. This is the sprite, that is the character. If you want to work with this, you can work over this, or you can choose any of the sprite from this option. So you are having lot of options here, and if you want to work with any of the other character, you can select and place that character over your stage. Fine. So this is the working area. Whatever characters I will be using in my project, they will appear here. And now the second option is the backdrop option. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to choose one of the backdrop over this. Like these are the backdrops which are available in the Scratch. You can select any of the backdrop of your choice, or you can have nothing, that is the simple background. So what I'm going to do is, I am going to have a very simple background like this blue sky. So you can see that this has been changed from white to sky blue. And now this is my sprite. You can drag and drop it anywhere where you want to appear over the stage area or over the screen. So I am going to work with this sprite only, and the very first basic program is, we want this to move forward. Fine. So what I am going to do is, here we have the coding section. So this is your coding section. You can have any of the code. We will go to the event part. This is the event part, and we will select the first thing. Now, this is the flag area. This means you want to go and run this project, and this means you want to stop this project. So when someone, as a user, if I have created this project and someone wants to run this project, they have to press this flag area. So when in the coding part, when this cat would be moving when someone press this flag. So what I'm going to drag is, I'm going to drag this when this flag is clicked. Then there should be something which should change my cat. So here in the motion part, you have lot of other codes available. These are the pre-made codes which are already being coded by the programmers of MIT, just to help you out that without the knowledge of any programming, you can run your project and you can have your beautiful creations out of it without any code. So it's simply drag and drop. Drag any code from the code section and drop it into this area. Now what I want to do is, I really want to move this to the particular location. So you can drag this, move 10 steps. So if I press this, you can see that it is moving. Now it has moved very slowly. Fine. So you can increase or decrease depending upon how increasing speed you need or how decreasing speed you need, right? So when you click here, see, it's moving little fast. So if you want it to move very fastly, you need to give it here a big number. Suppose if I have a 50 steps here, and if I move here, you can see it is moving very fast. And if you want it to move very slowly, then you can move it for less value like 10. So in this way, you can move your cat. Now, how many steps or how many times it should move when someone click this flag? So for that, you have many other options like in the control. You want your cat to move forever. It should not stop. You have this block of forever. So if you place it here, that it should move this much forever. See, it has gone out of the window because I have used a forever block. But I don't want to move it for forever. So what I can do is I can delete this block. Now how I can delete this block? You have to simply drag this and put it again here. It will be deleted from your area. Now I bring my this cat here back again, and now what other option I do have? I have this repeat option. For how much time you want it to repeat this command? I want to move this for 10 steps, that is for 10 times. So let's play this. See, it's moving like this. So whenever you click this, it moves 10 steps for 10 time. 10 steps for 10 time. And if a user want to move this cat from this area to this area, they can do this. Fine. Now, this is the very first project for the first day, and what you have to do is you have to choose your own sprite, any character of your choice, any background of your choice, and you can move them for how many numbers you want to and for how many times you want to. So it's merely on your imagination that what character and what background you are going to use, and for how many times and for how many steps you want them to move across the area of the project. I just hope you are enjoying this. Stay tuned for more fun and for more code. Thank you so much for watching this video.